Hello everyone, my name is Pooja Naik and I am doing web development internship at Oasis Infobyte. Oasis Infobyte is a software company which focuses on bridging the gap between academic learning and industry requirements. It offers internships in web development, Android application development, etc. I chose web development and got selected into it. Out of the three levels, I chose level 1, which includes completing three tasks. Task 1 focuses on designing and developing a responsive landing page. So, I thought of creating a landing page of iPhone 13. Let's have a look onto the website. This is the GitHub repository of Task 1, which I'll be soon uploading in the description box. Let's have a look at the web page. These are the key features. These are the shots on iPhone 13, which I have actually clicked on my phone. This is as to why iPhone 13. So now let's have a quick look onto the code. So this is the code for the web page. Starting off with the basic type of HTML, that is doc type HTML. This tells the browser that we are writing an HTML5 document. Followed by the head section. Here, this part is like the control room of the page. It doesn't show on the screen, but helps in setting it up. Followed by the title, which is I have named it as iPhone 13. Then I have declared all the CSS properties under the style tag. Next, here inside the style tag, I have declared a body section wherein everything inside the body tag is what we see on the actual web page. Now, the page layout. So, the header is basically like this part of the web page. Here, iPhone 13 and black background, which I have specified over here. Background color is black, and the color of the font is supposed to be white, which is actually white over here. Then, followed by the hero section, which is this one. It is like a big eye-catching section, the main message, a short line about the iPhone 13. The blue button that links to Apple's iPhone 13 specs, like this button over here, this Explore Now button, this actually leads to the official iPhone 13 page from Apple. Let me show you, like here, as we can see. Next up to the features section. This features section, it highlights three main features of iPhone 13, which is the display, speed, and the camera things, like how good is the camera. It uses a grid layout for clean design. Then talking about the short on iPhone section, like these are the CSS properties of those sections. The actual sections I've made them here. So as you can see, this the experience, the power, they are under the hero section, which can be displayed over here, followed by the features section, which is over here. I've declared it in such a way that the boxes, they lift up a little bit for that aesthetic look. Followed by shot on iPhone section. Here I've added some photos which I have actually clicked on my phone, and so this section, shot on iPhone section, it displays three beautifully clicked images. Each image has hover effects. They zoom slightly when hovered. I have implemented that thing too over here. Then coming on to the why choose iPhone section, which I have implemented over here at the last part of the web page, as to why iPhone 13 is better than the previous models. So this explains why someone should buy the iPhone 13. This is also shown in grid format. Coming on to the footer part contains simple bottom section that says 2025 Apple, all rights reserved, etc. So, some key points about CSS styling is like this uses gradients and shadows to make the page look modern. Then I've used Flexbox and Grid for layout. Then the website is actually very responsive and many more things. So this was the explanation of the code. This is the GitHub repository which I'll be posting in the description box. So if you have any questions, comments or suggestions by which I could improve the landing page, then please reach me out on my LinkedIn account which I'll be sharing in the description box. Thank you.